Hi guys and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another new video। अभी एक्चुअली बहुत लेट हो चुका है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 10:30 और ये बहुत ही अजीब टाइम पे आज मैं वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ, बट देयर इज अ रीजन टू दिस। जैसे कि आपने वीडियो के टाइटल से पढ़ ही लिया है, माई फ्रेंड्स आर गोना डिसाइड व्हाट आई डू इन अ होल डे फॉर लाइक legit whole day. Yeah, I said that, but I don't know how's this gonna be turned out, like good, not, let's see. But before going into the video, I just want to tell you that this video is with a group of my friends, and like this video is going to be only with my school friends. I've been like thinking to do something else with other group of my friends, that's my college friends. So yeah, that's pretty. Question is, when should I wake up tomorrow? Like this challenge starts right now, I guess. I don't know, but अभी मैं अपने फ्रेंड को कॉल करने वाली हूँ पूछने के लिए कि when should I wake up tomorrow, like 7 or 9:30. So let's do that. So I have made like chits of my friends and put them all in, like 8 questions I have for tomorrow, and which one is right now included. See किसका नाम आता है और हम आधी रात को किसको परेशान करने वाले हैं. 11:30 is not आधी रात, but still let's see. Nishtha, the first question goes to Nishtha. Nice. I don't know if she's gonna pick my call or not. We are going to try on camera. Well, I haven't actually messaged all my friends today that I'm gonna call you guys tomorrow to like tell me what should I do, and I'm doing this challenge kind of thing, and I've told them कि मेरा call उठाना. Let's see if she picks up or not. I'll sleep this early, I guess.
जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल कर रही हैं,
She got my call. That's why I told everyone that I'm doing this challenge. I'm gonna call you at some point of time. Oh yes, I so am. Okay, so the first question is, when should I wake up tomorrow? Like 7 a.m. or 9:30 at my usual time?
Oh my God! Finally, the question which I dreamt of being asked on. Okay, obviously 7.
If I had like, that's why I've like kept it, 7 or 5, like 9:30. Otherwise, if it would been have to you would be like wake me up at 5. हाँ बोल that story.
हाँ, so the thing was कि रितेश आज मैंने कॉल करे थे और मैंने सोचा था कि सिलेक्ट हुई सही कि वो कॉल में तो हाँ वो बोल रही थी तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
So it's right now, let me just show you the time so that you guys know I woke up early. It's 9:38 and you can see I have woken up early. Like मैं 7 बजे उठ गई थी, पर बेड से निकलते थोड़ा 7:25 7:30 जैसा हो गया. फिर I took bath. उसके लिए मैंने किसी को ऑप्शन नहीं दिया था because I really wanted to take bath and I don't go without bathing. वॉश माई हेयर, जिसी की वजह से ये शूट थोड़ा लेट हो रहा है, लाइक 9:38 के आसपास हो रहा है, क्योंकि आई हैड टू लाइक ड्राई माई हेयर फर्स्ट. सो या हियर आई एम विद दिस बोल जिसमें मेरे फ्रेंड्स के नाम है. और एक्चुअली ये लेट इसीलिए भी हो रहा है, वन ऑफ द रीज़न है कि मैं सुबह 8 बजे किसी को कॉल करना नहीं चाहती थी, लाइक ऑब्वियसली राइट. लेट्स सी हम किसको कॉल करने वाले हैं, बट द क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ इज व्हाट शुड आई वेयर. Says Vishal, so let's call him.
व्यक्ति ने कॉल કરી રહ્યા છો.
He is not picking up, so we'll take the second chit now. Let's see who comes. It's Divyesh. Let's call him.
हेलो.
हाय दिव्येश.
हाँ सही.
क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, बस पागल है घूमने.
तेरी वाली स्टोरी मेरे को सुनना ही मिली. निष्ठा टोल्ड मी
कौन सी?
that she has been selected as my friend. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे इज फॉर यू कि
बस
हाँ लाइक तेरे पहले विशाल का नाम निकला था बट ही इज नॉट पिकिंग अप माई कॉल मतलब उसका मैसेज आया दैट ही इज ड्राइविंग सो आई कॉल हिम लेटर सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट शुड आई वेयर ट्रेडिशनल वेयर और लाइक जीन्स एंड ऑल
हाँ तो जीन्स
Thank you. Changed into something really, really comfortable. So I'm just happy that I'm not going to be wearing traditional. So yeah, but the bigger question here is right now, ki should I keep my intermittent fasting or like should I eat something like have my breakfast? So let's see what comes. Real. Let's call her. I don't know if she'll pick up my call or not, but let's see. Hello?
Hello?
My god, you picked up my call.
Yeah?
Okay, so the question for you is should I keep my intermittent fasting or should I like have breakfast?
I know that you do your intermittent fasting. Like you follow that rule every day. But I
Yeah.
want you to have your breakfast today.
Okay. Having my upma. Hi guys, so नाश्ता करके तो कब से हो गया है. It's 12:34 right now and I am kinda hungry, kinda not, but yeah, gotta take lunch at time. So here we are और हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को पूछने वाले कि है कि हम लंच में क्या खाएंगे. So let's see अब किसका नाम आता है. Vakesh. Let's call him. Actually, he is the only person जिसको मैंने बताया नहीं कि I'm doing this challenge. So let's see how he reacts.
Hello.
Hi Dwarkesh.
Hi.
What you doing?
Family function.
Okay. First of all, you shouldn't visit because Corona. But second of all, I am doing a video where my friends decide what I do for 24 hours. So right now it is your chance to choose. What
What
should
you
I
should do, right?
like?
Okay.
For lunch, should I eat what mama's making or should I make food for myself? See, I'm also going to tell you honestly कि अगर मैं खुद बनाऊंगी तो I'm just going to have मैगी. मैं और कुछ नहीं बनाने वाली. और अगर मम्मा जो बना रही है that is actually भेल.
Bale is better.
I feel you,
should eat
bro.
the bale.
I feel you, bro. Let's try this now. Too good. Guys, so done with the lunch and also had छाछ सोडा जिसका शॉट आपने देखा which apparently looks like छाछ but मैंने उसमें सोडा मिलाया था and if you guys haven't tried it, it is heavenly. You should try it. And being a Gujarati, छाछ means everything to me. It's 2:46 right now. काफ़ी late हो गया है. But the question right now is should I study or should I just chill? So let's see. वैसे चिल में मैंने कुछ सोच के रखा नहीं है. I desperately need study because my exams are coming and I am just not studying. Although I know one person जिसको अगर मैं कॉल करके पूछूँ स्टडी और चिल, he will 99.9999% will tell me to study, but apparently that friend is not in this list. That friend is in my college friends list. So yeah, right. It's Vishal S. I told you guys I have 2 Vishal friends.
Number you have dialed is currently busy.
So guys, it's been more than 15 minutes. उसने मुझे अभी तक कॉल बैक नहीं किया है तो भी I have 2 more friends. Let's see. It says Sanai. Let's hope वो सो नहीं रहा हो अभी. Let's call him. Hello? Hi Sanai.
Hi, કેવું છે?
હવે અત્યારે ભણું કે એમને એમ ટાઈમ પાસ કરું લાઈક કશું બી જોવું યુટ્યુબ વગેરે ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ કશું બી.
તું અત્યારે ભણ?
થેન્ક યુ. મારી એક્ઝામ આવે છે પણ મેં બિલકુલ નથી ભણતી. મને ભણવાનું આપવા માટે થેન્ક યુ.
અરે ઓકે કોણ કોણ
So it's like let me see. It's 6:14 right now. और I'm getting bored right now, so मुझे कुछ draw करना है. But I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna call my friend and ask कि मैं क्या drawing करूँ. So this is the last sheet I have. That's Yash. Let me call him. Hello.
હેલો હા બોલ.
Hi Yash.
હા
શું કરે છે?
વોક પર નીકળ્યો છું અત્યારે.
અચ્છા, તો I wanted to ask you કે મેં અત્યારે શું કરું?
તો 200 પુશઅપ્સ કર અત્યારે.
નોટ ધેટ વે.
Non-stop.
એટલે મેં છે ને ઓપ્શન્સ આપું છું. લિસન
હા
મેં ઓપ્શન્સ આપું છું.
Options આપે છે.
આઈ એકચ્યુઅલી વોન્ટ ટુ ડ્રો સમથિંગ.
હા.
તો મેં મંડલા ડ્રો કરું ઓર સમથિંગ એલ્સ લાઈક નોર્મલ પેઇન્ટિંગ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ થિંગ.
ના કોઈ પોર્ટ્રેટ ડ્રો કરતો પછી.
આઈ એમ નોટ ગુડ એટ પોર્ટ્રેટ. ડુ યુ ઇવન
હા
નો?
તો એમાં જ તો મજા આવશે. એ જ તો યુટ્યુબ કન્ટેન્ટ રહેશે. બનાય અને આ રેકોર્ડ થાય છે મારો અવાજ અત્યારે?
હા,
હા તો વાંધો નહીં, પોર્ટ્રેટ બનાવજો અત્યારે. અને
બટ
કોઈ ના પોર્ટ્રેટ બનાય અને ફ્રેન્ડ્સ કેરેક્ટર નું, એટલે કાર્ટૂન પોર્ટ્રેટ કે જેવું બનાવવું હોય ને બધા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ના કેરેક્ટર.
after the work of I guess 1.5 or 2 hours, it's almost 8. Like it's almost 8. I have completed making this. Man, I'm so happy with myself. Can you see this? It's so good. So this is basically their theme song, Friends theme song. These are basically the type of clothes they are wearing in that shot, and these are the umbrellas they all are holding. And I have just written small dialogues of them which I like most, or which are like their identities up here. So जिसने बनाने के लिए बोला था, मैं उसको कॉल करके पूछने वाली हूँ what does he think of it. Let me call him. Hi, you saw the pic?
Yes,
How was it?
it was good, but there were no faces in it.
Yeah, because it is black and white pic, na. Only the umbrellas are colorful. That is the theme.
Okay.
Yeah, you liked it, na. But I did a pretty good
Yeah.
job for first timer.
Yeah. Now do the Brooklyn 991.
Was it for the video? Well, not actually. अभी भी मेरे 2 टास्क बाकी है. That is what should I have for dinner, and कि मैं रात को वेब सीरीज देखूँ या जस्ट टीवी देखूँ. तो वो 2 चॉइस था. बट एज आई 2 of my friends are answering. Like one friend I called 2 times but he is not answering, and one friend is like out of town actually he is. And when I called him he was busy. His call wasn't busy, so and he didn't call me back. So I'm just taking that into consideration. So yeah, but still we have a question, 2 questions. So I have decided one question I'll answer for myself, like what I'll have for dinner. So I'm just gonna have like tomato soup. I just don't want to eat anything like so much heavy, so for now it's just tomato soup. Then I'll see if I want to eat something, I'll just have it. And the second question is what should I do, like watch TV or a web series, and if a web series, what web series? So that question goes to my ultimate friend, my best friend, like genuinely saying. Janil, that's my brother, but right now he doesn't want to come in front of the camera, so he'll just say from the back of the camera, what should I do, TV or web series?
Web series.
Which one?
Man with a Plan.
I was avoiding to watch it from so long time because I told him you first complete it and then tell me. If it's good, I will watch it. I don't have any problem in watching that. But yaar, I'm actually not into watching
It is
any.
good. It is.
Okay, so I'll start it today itself. But वो रिकॉर्ड करके भी कोई मतलब नहीं. मैं वेब सीरीज देखने वाली और टमाटो सूप पीने वाली, तो वो देख के आप क्या ही करोगे. तो मैं यहीं पे वीडियो एंड करती हूँ. सो बाय बाय एंड लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट ऑन माय चैनल. ऑल्सो प्रेस द नोटिफिकेशन बेल, ताकि जब भी मेरी वीडियो है सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन सिर्फ आपको आ जाए. सो बाय बाय, अंटिल यू मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम. लव लव.